I went from Christian to atheist and now back to Christianity, wondering about your thoughts on science and the Bible mingling. Love your stuff. Well, thanks and welcome back. So as far as how science and the Bible intermingle, it actually works a lot better than some people assume. You don't have to give up science to believe the Bible. They actually, what history's proven is that the Bible was right all along. It was just written by ancient people who didn't understand scientific processes, or they didn't understand how to write like a scholarly journal. If you keep in mind those ancient writings and they're understanding as much as they can at the time, then it actually fits quite well. So let me give you a few examples. First off, there are some primary elements to the universe. There is time, space, force, and matter. And in Genesis 1:1, all of them are listed. In the beginning, that's time. God, that's force, created the heavens, that's space, and the earth, that's matter. So there's the main elements of everything that exists. Now, when we're talking about the physical realm, like we know, Earth, etc., then there are other things that are pointed out in the Bible that didn't make sense until science caught up with it. Example, the dietary laws that were given to the Jews. God knew about microbes and bacteria long before anybody else did. So that's why they couldn't eat grapes from the vine, because of the bacteria. That's why they couldn't eat animals with cloven hooves, because of those exact reasons. Now we understand why. But back then, God already knew. There are other examples of this. There is the hydrological cycle, which is explained. There is the shape of the earth explained. There is the law of the conservation of masts. Now, this one's a little bit of a stretch, but I think it's fun. But the science always catches up to the Bible. That's the truth of it. You don't have to give up science to believe the Bible.